Inserting a keyframe in edit mode. So we go to edit mode by pressing on our tab key on our keyboard, or we can change it here. Now let's say we want to do an animation with this vertex or this vertex. One thing what we need is an add-on. So we go to edit preferences, and then we go to add-on, and what we need is called animal. It's used for animation. We start typing animation, and then we get, this is it, animation animal. Now I can, mine is checked already, but you check it like this, and then you close it, and then you come here, and when you press N, it's here, animate. So what you do is you go there. Now there are many options you can deal with. You can have points, you can have insert keyframes on edge, bevel, weights, so many options. I'll just deal with the first one, insert keyframes on point locations. So I do that. Now I select this point here, this vertex here, and maybe I go to shift and select this vertex here. I select it, go to G to grab it, and then maybe move it to the side a bit, and then I go to insert keyframe. So it inserts it at where this was. I unfortunately did not tell you, if you are not conversant with keyframes, this, if wherever you place this is where the keyframe will be set. This is one, it comes with one, so it's here. This is, it tells us that it goes from 1 to 250, and this is where your this blue thing is. So in case I want to put the other one at maybe 40, I can do the change here by writing 40 and enter, or I could have just moved this to 40 like this, and then now I want to insert another keyframe here. So I would select this again, and then this time I'll select only this, and then I would let's go to G to grab it, and then I make some movement, something like this here. I put it here, and then I insert a keyframe at 40. So now let's see how this went. I just have to go back here, jump to endpoint to here, and then I start to play it. Oh, sorry, I forgot. You see, when I played it, nothing happened because I'm in edit mode. You have to change back to object mode to see what you did. So now we go. You see, that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. If this helped you in any way, please help me as well by subscribing to my channel, or give this video a like. Thank you. Bye.